Sigma 24 to 70mm f2.8 DGDN2 art is the new king of L-mount. Ever had your $2,500 native 24 to 70 hunt focus in a dimly lit church while the groom waits and you die inside? That was me last summer, my pro lens choking on the decisive kiss, forcing me to switch to the 50mm prime and pray. Drop, been there, if your expensive glass has ever betrayed you at the worst moment. That stomach drop, when your flagship lens can't keep up and you know the moment is gone forever. Hands sweaty, heart racing, quietly hating the gear you saved up for. But imagine a zoom that locks focus instantly, feels lighter on your wrist, and actually earns its spot on your camera. I found the Sigma 24 to 70mm f2.8 DGDN2 art completely by accident while testing budget alternatives. 10% lighter than the old version. HLA motor that snaps focus like it's psychic. New optical formula that's visibly sharper in the corners at f2.8. Clickable and de-clickable aperture ring that makes video pulls buttery, and a close focus distance that turns 24mm into pseudo-macro magic. True story. Wedding reception, low light, dancing chaos. My native lens was hunting like a drunk. Switched to the Sigma mid-dance floor. Locked focus on the bride's face instantly. Nailed 40 keepers in a row while the dance floor lights strobed like a club. The couple's gallery got, "These are the best dancing shots we've ever seen." That moment when your lens finally keeps up with your vision? Pure relief. A year later, and this lens still hasn't left my camera. It's lighter on long wedding days, sharper for paid client work, and the aperture ring alone saved 3 video gigs from looking amateur. A top L-mount wedding photographer I know switched his entire kit and said his keeper rate went up 15% because the AF just doesn't miss anymore. One reviewer who tests lenses for a living said the Mark II resolves more detail at 70mm f2.8 than the previous Sigma did at f4. A bride from last month told me she cried happy tears over her gallery because every moment looked cinematic. Biggest objection I hear is, but it's third party. Cool. Except it's now the lens I trust most. Outperforms my old native glass and costs half as much to replace if something happens. Thousands of working pros have quietly made the Sigma 24 to 70mm f2.8 DGDN2 art their new daily driver, because once you feel that speed and sharpness, going back feels like downgrading. Quick, comment your current 24 to 70 if you're ready to feel personally attacked by how much better this one is. Carrying the Sigma 24 to 70mm f2.8 DGDN2 art isn't just changing lenses. It's upgrading every shoot for the next decade. Thousands of hybrid shooters, wedding pros, and run-and-gun creators have already made it their ride or die and never looked back. I left the exact bundle I use in the description and pinned comment. Go check it out, watch the side-by-side tests, feel your FOMO kick in. Stay till the end for the one custom button setting that changed everything. Your next keeper shot is waiting.